environment. Isn't it what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Marketing environment comprises of two factors like internal factors as well as external factors. These affect the company's environment, company's policies, company's marketing strategies, mission, vision, whatever thing is that. And marketing environment comprises of two parts, that is to say internal as well as external. Internal as well as external. And internal as well as external. Internal factors which can be controlled.
Yes.
It is within the company. No? And external factors which can't be controlled but should be taken into consideration. Internal environment, that is to say 7 P's. 7 P's, that is to say product, price, place, promotion, fiscal evidence, people, process. Now company's vision, mission, policies, strategies, it can be controlled. No? And external environments can be divided into two parts, like micro environment and macro environment. And micro environment, that is to say customer, competitors, suppliers.
Yes, sir.
That's what I am saying. It comes under micro environment. And micro environment, external environment can be divided into two parts, micro as well as macro. Macro as well as macro. It can be controlled. That is what I am saying. It can't be controlled. Isn't it? Internal can be controlled and external cannot be controlled, but should be taken into consideration how to handle. No, we have to consider about product, price, place, promotion, fiscal evidence, process.
7 P's, sir.
Isn't it what I am saying?
Yes, sir.